Okay, so I have created a name tag, and I'm going to encourage you to do one using your name, and I want to show you how this was done. So what I've got is a box here that we're going to draw our name in, or I'm going to draw my name in. I'm going to take a line command, and I'm going to go vertical. I'm going to hit escape. I'm going to highlight that vertical line, and I'm going to do an offset. This is the offset function. It will take this line and copy it to whatever dimension I have listed in the blue box. Right now it's 1.0, so that's what I want. I'm going to hit enter, and all of a sudden we see that vertical line show up. I'm going to then hit escape. Oops, got to do it again. I should have hit enter. Hit enter. Left click. Hit enter again. I didn't hit left click. Alright, so I'm going to take another shape, and it is an ellipse. And I'm going to use axis end. I'm going to go from, use this here, and then I'm going to drag my shape. I'm going to go ahead and make it just like that. Now, did you see what I did? I touched my cursor to the existing D. That's held it there for a moment and then drug my cursor up, and you can see the green dashed line pop up. Left click, it's going to be this, it's the same exact size. So you can control your lines by doing that if you want it to line up perfectly with an existing line you've already drafted. I'm going to highlight this. I'm going to offset to the inside. Now, I'm going to hit escape. I'm going to highlight. I'm going to trim. This won't trim, but I can highlight it and delete it. Okay, that's good. I'm going to take an A, or a line, and make an A. I have to take my ortho mode off. And I'm going to come up. Watch what I do. I'm going to try to manipulate to that corner. Can I do that? Oops, I can't go. There it is. I did do that. Awesome. But I need to pull it down further so that's touching that line. Now I'm going to do an offset. 1. I'm going to hit enter. There's my line. Left click. I'm going to take both of these lines. I had to hit escape to get out of the offset mode. I'm going to take both of those lines. I'm going to mirror to this point and put my ortho mode back on. No. I'm going to take a line. I'm going to go straight across. Now I'm going to offset. 1. Hit enter. Left click. I'm going to trim that up. Trim that A up. Trim. So when you want to trim, you highlight your lines, you hover, you left click to remove the part that you don't want. Now, I'm going to take this shape, I'm going to use it for my V, but it's an A. Watch this. Highlight, copy, move. Let's get rid of this. I'm highlighting, I'm deleting. I'm going to connect this to this, this to this. I'm just highlighting and grabbing it and dragging it. Now I'm going to use a temporary line. I'm going to go from right there to right there. I'm going to highlight my V, upside down V, rotate. I'm going to find the center. I have a green triangle. Now I'm just going to pull it there. And look at that. A V. I'm going to move it. Unclick that and get rid of it. I want an eye. I'm going to use this as my eye. I'm going to copy and take it to about right here. Left click. I'm going to extend these lines. I'm going to do one more thing. I'm going to take the D. Copy. To about right there. Get rid of that. Got to fill a couple of ends. Here's how I'm going to do it. Do you notice that I'm not drawing too many lines right now? Oops, I did that wrong. I want to do that again. Highlight that, copy. I'll drag it from here to here. Now I'm going to copy or highlight that, trim out what I don't want. Pretty neat. Now I want to color it. I'm coming to hatch. Let's do this. Enter. What do you think? So that's how I did my name. Now, what I did, just to break it down, I drew only what I needed to draw. I used what I could to create the other letters. The V came from the A, the I came from the D, and the D was a simple copy. Your name may or may not be able to do that with your name, but if you can, that is the goal of AutoCAD or any type of CAD work, is to use what you've already created. You save time. You save, in the end, if you're in business for yourself or working for somebody else, you're saving money. You're becoming more productive. You're able to do more in a day's time or in an hour's time, and your profitability is going up. So I encourage you to learn, think shortcut when you're creating drawings, when you're creating projects with CAD software. Think shortcuts and try to utilize objects or shapes that you've already created to help you create the other shapes. Doesn't always work out, but it does many times. All right, well, have fun. Create your name. There's going to be a challenge with some S's, G's. P is not too terribly hard. It's similar to a D. But have fun with it, and if you have any questions, let me know.